जो कि नई जेंजी है, like me and you, all are starting in this field, in this startup, want to start their own businesses or shops, but they have no idea to how to start and how to do it. But I wanna share with you some tips that really helps a lot you. That is कि देखो, जब हम कोई भी बिज़नेस शुरू करते हैं या शुरू करने जाते हैं, तो सबसे पहले हमारे पास बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं कि इनका आंसर क्या होने वाला है। बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स की जो सॉल्यूशन हैं जो हमें निकालने होते हैं। हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट देयर सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ देयर पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम। सो इन दिस वर्ल्ड नाउ Gen Z are mostly strong and really very huge, a lot of number to do their own businesses and start a startup or shops, but they have not idea to how to execute, how to achieve their goal. Just look it, when you are starting or want to start your business, you have two ways. First, when you start, comes some problems and questions in your mind, and हो सकता है in your belief system you can't step together with your own circle in this business field, you can't step in. But if you know, the second way is, if you know this is the question and self beliefs, I can't do business and I don't business, I have not my business background. But if this all are thoughts, this is on this big it's beginning from my self. How self? It's the past. So how can I erase it? The simple and short view to erase it, that is, if you want to make, you have to erase all of that. So now you have to second way, and that is make your second brain, make your second habit, or your best way to work that on it. Best wake space, work space, and etc. So I think you understand what I said. I don't know much more English, but I know something I want to express you and want to explain. So I think this is really very helpful. If you understand, I think you can't understand because it's not right pronunciation and not right words on verbs, like L, all is fail. But yes, I have courage to English speaking, so I speaking this English now with you on front of camera. I don't have any fear to speak English, because what can you do? What can you do to destroy me? Are you threatening me? Hmm? You can't do anything, right? So why are I fear? Oh, when people are seeing my video and that are laughing on me in my video, etc. Right? I don't have that fear. I I know who I am. So back on to the topic, and this topic is key. Gen Z are really very excited to do their businesses, but the problem is a lot waiting of it. When we start our own business, a lot of problem will come, and if the main question is, how can you stay with your question for a long time? How much time you hold your question on your mind? Because a long lasting question, if you hold in your mind will be pain, uh, doing pain a lot, you can't stay. But if you really stay with that and regularly on a basis, you are ready to questioning yourself and you are ready to do something big, and now you are start a good boy and best intelligence level of big. So I think you understand something. If not, don't worry, अगली बार और ट्राई करना, राइट? सो हम आपके अकाउंट हम आपको चेतन गहलोत 360 हार्ड चैलेंज के अंदर आज ये हमारा 192 112वां वीडियो। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए स्टे कनेक्टेड, स्टे जय हिंद, टाटा, बाय बाय।